where they could find water.
Go and don't come back till you've found some water.
Oh, OK, King Elephant.
A few days later, the young elephant came back with great news.
I'm back, and I've found some water.
Good.
Young elephant described a beautiful pool known as the Fountain of the Moon. It was many miles' journey to the east. There was no time to lose. The elephants set off on their long journey, travelling by night so they could follow the moon and rest in the fierce heat of the day.
I'll go first because I'm the king of the elephants.
Oh.
Follow me.
Oh, OK, Kingy. Oh, I know. On the way, we could do that song about walking through the jungle. Eh?
I'll decide. I'm the king.
Oh.
Let us sing that song about walking through the jungle.
Yeah. Yeah. Good idea, Bella. Yeah.
Come on, get ready to take their places.
Oh, shush, Milo. This is serious.
Look.
Walking through the jungle. What do you see?
What do you see?
If you hear a noise,
What could it be? What could it be?
oh, well, I think it was a monkey. I think it was a monkey. I think it was a monkey. Looking for his teeth. I hope it isn't me. Oh, follow the moon.
Yes.
Walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What do you see?
What do you see?
If you hear a noise, what could it be? What could it be? Oh, well, I think it was a snake. I think it was a snake. I think it was a snake. Looking for her teeth. I hope it isn't me.
Lead on, Bella.
I am walking through the jungle.
Walking through the jungle.
What can you see?
What can you see?
If you hear a noise, what could it be? What could it be? Oh, well, I think it was a tiger. I think it was a tiger. I think it was a tiger. Looking for his teeth. I hope it isn't me.
At last, after many weary miles, they came by night to the lake called the Fountain of the Moon. The water was clear and cool. The grass was green and the trees were tall. The weary elephants walked to the edge of the pool and drank thirstily.
This is the nicest place on earth. I think we'll stay here forever and ever.
Cool, Kingy. Whoa!
Shush, Milo.
Shall we have a rest, Your Majesty?
Yes, we have walked a long way. Let's go and sleep in that elephant grass.
Oh,
But the elephants weren't the only animals who thought the pool was a wonderful place to live. For many, many years, a family of rabbits had lived there.
Oh, that's us. Come on, Jake.
I'll follow you. Boing, boing.
This way.
The rabbits had their burrow under the fields by the pool, and they were very worried to see the arrival of so many great, clumsy elephants. The king of the rabbits...
Princess Rabbit.
Oh, right. Princess Rabbit called a meeting by the pool.
I want all the rabbits to come to a very important meeting.
Oh, can I come?
Yes, of course, Jake. You're the only other rabbit.
Oh, yeah.
When all the rabbits were gathered, Princess Rabbit made a big speech.
Those elephants are nothing but a big nuisance.
Yeah.
They're eating our grass and drinking our water and stepping on our houses with their big, clumsy feet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't I say anything else?
Yes, it's your bit in a minute, Jake.
The rabbits nodded and twitched their noses worriedly. If they didn't get rid of the elephants, they would not have enough water for themselves.
If anyone can save us from the elephants, I'll give them a big reward. Now, who's got an idea?
There was a long silence. Everyone wanted a reward from the princess, but none of them could think of a way to get rid of the elephants. At last, the smallest rabbit of all put up his paw.
Jake, that's you.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Right, me.
The other rabbits giggled and laughed. How could the smallest of all the rabbits move a whole herd of big elephants? But Princess Rabbit held up her paw for silence.
Little rabbit, good luck. Go and be very careful.
So that night, the smallest rabbit was sent out to face the elephants on his own.
Oh, boink, boink, boink.
When it grew dark, the elephants came out to eat the grass by the pool as usual.
Munch, 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 chomperoony.
For the smallest rabbit hid in the long grass. He didn't want to get too near to the elephant's big feet, or he'd get squashed like a bug. In his deepest voice, he called out,
Listen to me, King of the Elephants.
What was that?
Who's there?
Huh?
I am the moon, the big white moon in the sky.
The moon is talking.
King Elephant, I'm angry because you're too big and bossy.
I'm not Jake.
The moon thinks you should be punished.
Why me? It's not my fault.
The smallest rabbit told the king of the elephants to go and wash in the pool.
Go and wash.
Then, perhaps the moon would pardon him for being so full of himself. So King Elephant tiptoed to the edge of the pool and put in his trunk.
Oh, look. The moon is so angry that she's broken into 100 pieces.
Oh, you've really done it now.
Oh no! Quick, let's run away from here before the moon catches us and punishes us!
Elephants, away!
The frightened elephants never came back to the Fountain of the Moon ever again. And as for the smallest rabbit who saved his family, he got the reward promised him by Princess Rabbit.
Oh, my hero! I grant you first drink whenever we come to the Fountain of the Moon.
Oh, thank you, my princess.
It's okay.
The end.
Bella! Oh. Ready, clock. Well, bitch, look.
News time! Oh, that was a great story. I like being King Elephant.
Yeah, that's because you like to order everyone around, Bella.
Oh, Milo, stop doing that!
Milo, you're not an elephant anymore.
No!
Oh, I like being an elephant, though.
What about you, Jake? Did you enjoy the story?
Oh, yeah, I tricked the elephants, didn't I? By pretending I was the moon.
Yes, you did. So who do you think was the smartest animal in the story? The big, strong elephant or the smallest rabbit?
The smallest rabbit, of course.
Yeah.
He was cleverer than all of them.
Yeah, just like me. I'm the smallest and I'm the cleverest too. And you've got to do as I'm doing. Come on. Do as I'm doing. Follow me. Yeah, do as I'm doing. Or be small like me. You have to get smaller and smaller. That's it. Do as I'm doing. Follow me. Do as I'm doing. Or be small like me. Yeah. Small people are the best, aren't they, doodles?
Woof, woof.